Okay, why don't you just give him the avatar?
Well, VR chat doesn't make it easy. This is the basic way to do it. Besides, the customer knows what they're doing.
Oh, do I open it? Where's my character?
Maybe asking yourself, what the heck is this? This isn't what I wanted. Where's my character? Be lucky artist sends this to you. You have all the necessary resources to do small, easy tweaks to your character without bothering your artist and waiting for a response from them. Knowing little about Unity, you can do all yourself. Go to Unity 3D, download Unity Hub. Don't worry, all links are in the description. After that, you get the Pacific version. Click on installs, install editor. Here, download. Here you see a bunch of different versions. Download the Pacific version your artist wants you to download. Specific year, then it goes down, and so forth. So that. Go to here. Open. Go where you saved it. And then desktop. This one. Open it. The nice thing is everything should be here, including all the random stuff. Other people have you download separate, but since you got the whole asset, all the work is done for you. So you click on the original character. It shows ID, you need to press this button. You detach it because you get VR chat confused with their ID. After that, up here, VR chat SDK, show control panel. Okay. Make sure you're logged in. Right, if it gives you an option to pick different characters, pick usually the one with the highest number, usually one that your artist wants you to download. Make sure you talk to your artist, see which one he wants you to download. If it has any problems, click autofix. After that, build and publish. Ah, it's finally done. Right? After that, this right here. And it's ready to upload. Once it's uploaded, you should find it in VR chat. And that's it. If you have any problems, contact your artist. And if you need any help, just leave a comment below. I'd be more than happy to answer them.